Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying prerequisites and then connect immediately. Confirm your broker API access, required permissions, and that two-factor authentication is set. Install the robot package and dependencies. Use Python 3.10 or the vendor build. Once done, open the sample config and insert your API key, secret, base currency, and a conservative risk percentage per trade. Make sure file permissions are correct and that test mode is enabled, so the robot won't place live trades until you validate behavior. Next, you build and validate the strategy by defining indicators, timeframes, and precise entry and exit rules, then load historical data for testing. Run backtests covering at least 6 to 12 months and include different volatility regimes so you see edge cases. Once you have baseline results, optimize parameters but stop short of curve fitting. Keep changes conservative and prefer robustness over peak returns. Make sure to run walk-forward tests. This proves the strategy generalizes, and it exposes slippage and realistic. Finally, you move to live operation cautiously by enabling paper or simulated trading and monitoring fills, latency, and profit and loss in real time. Set operational controls: alerts, a kill switch, max drawdown limit, and automated snapshot logs for debugging. If something goes wrong, immediately isolate the strategy, review API error messages and execution logs, and revert to the last known stable configuration. Make sure to pause trading while you diagnose. Don't let the robot keep trading while you troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.